sometimes you got to stop focusing and thinking about what could have happened and what should have happened. And you got to live in what is happening.
Life continue. Past is past. It's never come again. The present, it's the best gift that we have in our life. The present.
Because if you live in the future, you're anxious. If you live in the past, you're depressed. If you live in the now, you're happy.
Sometimes we get caught up thinking about the future, waiting for the perfect day, the perfect mood, the perfect chance to finally start. But here's the truth, life doesn't wait. Opportunities don't wait. People around you won't pause their lives for your timing. The only real power you have is in this moment, right now, and how you use it. The power of now is the difference between dreaming and doing. Right now is when you decide to stop doubting yourself and start taking real steps towards your goals. Right now is when you choose action over hesitation, courage over fear, growth over comfort, and progress over excuses. Every great story, every big transformation begins with someone who refused to wait. Someone who chose to take the first step in the present instead of putting it off for later. Think about it. Your future self is built entirely by the choices you make today. The habits you practice, the risks you take, the effort you put in, the mindset you develop now. All of it shapes the life you will wake up to tomorrow. Waiting only steals time, but acting now creates momentum. Even the smallest step taken today is more powerful than 1,000 plans for tomorrow that never happen. And here's another truth. Action inspires confidence. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to start. But the moment you begin, even imperfectly, something shifts. You start to see possibilities instead of obstacles. You begin to trust yourself. You start creating the life you've been dreaming of, piece by piece, moment by moment. So don't let this moment slip away. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait until everything feels right. Start where you are with what you have and take that first step. Because your dreams aren't just meant for someday, they're meant for now. And the power to change your life exists in this very second.